shop. I'm a buck Shamari. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello. Sup?
So we are walk up the road.
Having a rainy day, huh?
Oh, this one. So your mama get wet.
What? Me make it get wet?
No, you shall provide an umbrella. Some can go under.
No, I'm like when you wet, man.
Why?
Ask any man.
The sky is very juicy right now.
No. The sky juice. Nah,
The sky is juicy. I don't know what he's talking about.
The sky juice, nah, that's what the man says.
You can't get the umbrella. You see, yeah, my head wet out.
You want to rub that one with that woman, yeah?
No. No, sir. So what are going for the... What?
Here you go. I'll provide a black scandal bag to cover your hair and call it today.
Watcha. So what are going for my dinner? What you cook for me?
Alright, I'm going to tell you what I have right now. I have a raisin bread with cheese. And you know, I have to provide a drink too, because I'm going to get choked on it.
What soda?
Which soda? Fruit juice.
For you?
What my first thing?
So you really expect me to eat that? That can't come somebody belly?
You're lucky.
Seriously?
Some people not get nothing.
I true that, but boy, I want my curry goat and my rice and peas and with my salad tomato and instead of this.
If you can't buy a steak, buy a chicken box. Nobody not bad that. That's just steak.
No, sir. When I cook my curry goat and food, you want to come for some?
Nah, man.
Why?
Cause you want time like goat.
Why would I do something like that? Remember from way back when? Am I that wicked?
Are you?
Am I? No, I don't know what he's talking about.
Oh, no, yeah? No, I know.
I'm not doing nothing, man. I'm not doing nothing.
I thought my friend said the last time.
And then what
Can't
happened?
see him.
Right now you can't see him.
Can't see him.
No, sir. So where your woman there? In a them weather, yeah?
Feel alright now.
Eh?
Feel the one.
Oh, you pillow. I say a girl.
You say my feel the one.
Oh, you pillow a girl. Watch out. So you don't want a little sitting in a them cold time now.
Alright, here one. Me and go.
Wow. Yeah?
Yeah, me can jump to the window.
Who's
I can't fit you, me can't fit you. I'm not that big.
I'm not either.
Exactly. Yeah, I'm look good, man. Oh my god, I'm flawless. Oh my god.
You can follow him on Snapchat, yeah.
Oh my god, I'm famous.
Which part are you? What is one?
Well, anyways, little more is it. We'll see you again next time.
Bye.
Here, go away. Yeah.
Yes. So, catch you again later. Bye. Hey guys, right now, I just go to the shop. Go buy a snack or a cake or something because I feel a little hungry right now. So yeah, that's me I go do. Now must I walk from my backyard because of the back door may take and thing. So my dog them there. So I don't know what I have planned out for the rest of the day. But right now my food meant for the pan because yeah, the time boring. Rain all look like it's gonna fall. My clothes I want to wash. But yeah. So me I walk in the middle of the road. Like I don't know, myself walk on a vlog and this driver man come and stare upon me. Mate when you have vlog. Mate when you have vlog and somebody stare upon you like the first time see somebody have vlog. I said, oh, more them have the little no I might buy a cup soup. I don't know what I'm gonna buy yet. So. You have cup soup? Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yo. Oh. So when you can watch me prepare my cup soup, some have one pepper, one hot pepper. And I just wash it off first. Cut it up. Maybe put back the pepper in the fridge. Also put it on the stove. So the water ready. Yes guys, so I'm gonna mash up my cup soup now. So I'm gonna see you when I'm done or when I do something else. I don't know. But yeah.